In this video, we are going to install Cosuvow's portable wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. "7-inch HD IPS touchscreen. HD screen resolution 1024 by 600 pixels with a high brightness of 600 nit. On the top of the screen, you have your power button. Below that, on the top, you have your memory card slot, which supports up to 128 gigs. On the rear, you have your built-in speaker. You have a USB port, your aux output, your reset button. You have your audio video input, which is for your optional rear camera, and your USB-C port for power supply. And we have your base mount, which you can rotate 360 degrees with some adhesive for stronger mounting. Includes extra adhesive, a trim tool, 12-volt power adapter, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So here we have the unit on the dashboard of my vehicle. Go ahead and plug in the 12-volt plug adapter. Then you just plug it in the USB-C port behind the monitor. Let's go ahead and peel off the protective covering. And then turn on the monitor. It'll take you straight to your setup. We're going to go ahead and choose English. We'll go ahead and set the date and time. And this here is your home screen. Alright, let's go into the settings menu. First, you have your language. You have multiple languages to choose from. You have your Wi-Fi setting. You can choose a Wi-Fi network to connect to. Here we have your Bluetooth access. You have devices that you can connect to. You have your in-car Bluetooth, in which you can toggle on and off this function. This uses your car's speaker. We have your aux output. You can toggle that on and off. You can adjust your date and time. Your display and brightness. You have night mode selection as well. You can adjust your volume. First one would be your system music video, and the second one is your calls. Here we have your reverse mode. This is if you connect your optional reverse camera. You can change the video format, backup assist lines. You can toggle that on and off. And you can also adjust the assist lines. You have your factory reset and your product information. Here we have your apps. You can connect to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, Apple AirPlay, and you have Miracast as well. You can play video from your micro SD card or a USB drive. You can play music from the micro SD card, USB drive, or a Bluetooth that you connect to. Instead of using your Bluetooth speakers, you can connect through FM transmit. You just change to the same radio station in your stereo. And here's your Bluetooth settings. We're gonna go ahead and connect to the Bluetooth. We're gonna go ahead and hit pair, hit allow, and now you're connected. This should automatically connect to your Android Auto if you're connected with an Android phone. Hit continue. And it's as simple as that. Let's go ahead and test the voice settings. Okay, Google. What's the weather today?
Today in Seattle, it'll be cloudy with a forecasted high of 45 and a low of 34. Currently it's 42 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Let's go ahead and test the call feature. Alright, looks like that works. So let's go ahead and test the mirror cast function. We have your Android phone. We're gonna go to Smart View, and then we're gonna hit the mirror cast. I see the mirror cast here. Let's go ahead and select that and start now. Let's hit OK. So now let's go ahead and try to connect to an iPhone. We're gonna do the same thing. We have your Bluetooth. Then we're gonna go ahead and find the app and connect to it. And now you're already connected. It will automatically check if you want to use CarPlay. We're gonna go ahead and use CarPlay. As simple as that. Now we're in CarPlay. You have all your CarPlay functions. Let's go ahead and test the voice feature. Hey Siri.
Uh-huh.
What's the weather today?
Expect rain today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 44 degrees, with overnight lows around 35.
Now let's go ahead and try to connect to Apple AirPlay. This one takes an extra step. First, you want to go connect to your Apple phone's Wi-Fi. Then once you're connected to that Wi-Fi, you want to go to Apple CarPlay. You go to Settings, and you see Link. Go ahead and click on that. And now you have screen mirroring. Car interior LED ambient light. Thanks to Cosuvow for providing us with this product. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.